What's going on? I got a 2007 Dodge Charger and it has a loud exhaust. I bought it off Facebook Marketplace for $3,500 cash. For this car, it's a 5.7 V8 Hemi. It's solid, it's solid. All I had to change were the tone rings, ABS sensors, a couple fuses, the radio, because the radio they had in that thing was an Amazon head unit for $50. And they're like, well, the speakers are blown. Speakers weren't blown. They had a shitty head unit. Change that out. Anyway, it's a running car now. We're just trying to make it look good now. We got the rust getting addressed. We got rims coming in. It is a loud fucking car though, so we have to get the exhaust fixed. So here's the before. See, I got a section cut out right now, the old exhaust. I'm gonna put it in line of where it used to be OEM, because they straight piped it from intake to exhaust. No catalytic converters, no exhaust, no mufflers, nothing. So I cut the center out and we are going to be splicing these in line. This doesn't look like it held up too well. Yeah, I don't even know what this stuff is, but yeah. We're gonna put this in line of it. Just quiet it down a bit. It is a Quiet Flow SS. That's it, man. Got them all clamped up. I cut it too short, so I unfortunately had to weld that. Man, I'm not a welder, man, but that'll hold. These are mine. These are, you know, what does it really matter? What matters is that it's quieter. And these look good, man. They fit right where the old ones did. It's clear in the drive shaft. Let's see if I can see that a little bit better. It's clear in the drive shaft all the way through. It's got clearance, so just in case it flexes a little. They are touching here, but you know, what's it matter? And I might end up cutting these off here as well. But other than that, here we are, man. Let's see how this sounds. Better. Again, it's a 2007 5.7 V8. I got it for $3,500 off of Facebook Marketplace. We put on two. I'll put the names up, I can't remember. I plan on doing a lot to this car, not just the exhaust, not just basic repairs and maintenance. I plan on doing a lot with this car, so please stay tuned. I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you want to see more like this, you can follow my channel on Instagram, YouTube. It's Infinity Miata. And then I got Xavier Lipscomb 2000, probably what you're watching this on right now. You know, check out the video, or you know, like the video, check out the channel, all that stuff. Deuces.